So hello everyone, welcome to my channels. So today in this lecture we are going to learn the trigonometric ratio. Most of the time the students of class 9 and 10, those who are appearing in the AMBOS exams, so AMBOS board, those who are facing the AMBOS boards, they are having this course in class 9 and 10. There is one chapter that is trigonometric. So there they have to remember all the formulas, but most of the time the students having complaints that they are finding difficult to memorize the formula. So now in this video I will show you an easy trick so that it will be easier for the students to remember the formula, right? So here for that you have to remember this diagram. This is the diagram, so you have to remember this. If the students will remember this diagram, then they can easily find out the formulas by applying a trick. So here I will arrange this side, in the right hand side, all the trigonometric ratio which is started from cos. So cos, which is started from C. Sorry, it is started from C. So cos is started from C, cot is started from C, cosec is C. Right here in this side, in the left hand side, it will start, all the trigonometric ratio will start from S. Sine is start from S, sec is start from S, except 10. You have to remember in mind that here you have to put 10 square theta. So this is sine square theta, cos square theta, cot square theta, cosec square theta, sec square theta, 10 square theta. And one more thing you have to remember, this, see the arrow. It is going this way here. From here at the center there is a 1. From 1 to cot, then cosec, then from 1 to 10, then sec. Now how it is give you the formula? Let's have a look. So first formula is that, see here the arrow is sine square theta from here to here. Sine square theta, you put one plus sign in between, then here to here, that is cos square theta, that will give you 1. See the arrow, it came in 1. So that will give you this, one of the very important formula. Second formula, see the diagram. This line is started from 1, it is moved towards cot theta. See, this is the arrow, 1 to cot theta. That means 1 in between, you have to put plus sign. 1 plus cot square theta, that will give you, see the arrow, it is reached to cosec. So cosec square theta. This is the second important formula. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Now the last one, see the diagram you get. It will start from 1. So 1, so in between plus, it reaches to 10 first. So 10 square theta, 10 square theta. Then it is ended to sec square theta. So write sec square theta. This is the third most important formula, that is 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta. So if the students will remember this diagram, then it will be very easier for them to remember the formulas, and there is a less chance to get a mistake. Alright, and that knowledge will be lost forever, I hope. So I hope this diagram is very important. From this diagram, easily students can find out the relations between sine cos, cot cosec and tan sec. So first relation is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. I hope it is really going to be very helpful for the students, those who are the students of class 9 and 10. Thank you for watching.